She can play with both legs, right and left. She's been switching on positions right from the from left, twisting the midfield. This is Lillian. Absolutely very good. Lillian again! Wow! Lillian with a great shot! She finds the net on the 54th minute. Unbelievable, this young lady. She's been trying to dribble and putting the ball just in the corner, in the top corner. And the goalkeeper, Nyirabashitsi Judith, with all her great efforts, she couldn't do much to save the goal. It's now Uganda 1 and Rwanda 0. Mutuzo Lilian, look at the way she controlled the ball on the right wing, trying to go past the defenders in the 18 area box. Actually, they gave her enough space to put the ball in the net. Very good striker.
Hakuna kitu ambacho Judith amefanya hapa. Hakuna kitu ambacho angefanya kabisa, kwa sababu ni mchezaji ambayo Lomari Kula anasema anatumikisha miguu yote.
Aria Iwanga Jarateye, attention. Batiowe kujuda sifuye. Atini kufra, ni penalty. E penalty ya Ukarabye.
Nibyo ukozeho.
Ya Ukarabye. Gatirebe se voilà, Ibanga yate mpira. Antuka
ni mborontere changu
ayo mpira ko mbibona ntago habayeho mufumako okoje nabibonye
kuko umupira no wazamutse umukoraho.
Umupira azamutse umukorona nta mufuma yakoresheje. Antuka sepoziano aturebe reka rero umukobwa azawumire hano.
Ane no muhanga muri za penalty.
Aturo Ruth
kuko kino muri AS Kigali wateraga amakufra cyane n'ama penalty. Set pieces.
Anne Marie arawushiramo bimeze bite? Ibanga rye Anne Marie agiye gukeba. Katurebe, it's a penalty to be taken by Ibanga rye Anne Marie. Ibanga rye Anne Marie. Oh! Ibanga rye Anne Marie puts one on the level now. She puts in an equalizer. It's Uganda 1 and Rwanda 1. An equalizer by Anne Marie. Ibanga rye Anne Marie giving much more confidence to the fans as there are still 25 minutes to play for. It was very accurate. It was very hard for the goalkeeper to save it. This is Nabumba. Namuleme. It's a goal. Very good goal. Nice goal by Nora. Unbelievable. The second goal for Uganda. The Rwandan defense is actually they are lacking concentration, especially in the last stages of the game. They have always been conceding in the last stages of the game. This is Nora, Alupo Nora.
Alupo Nora, nimekwambia mchezaji mrefu.
Look at the way the cross was brought in by Namuleme.
Lakini si kosa la mabeki, ni kosa la goalkeeper, ametereza.
Yeah.
Alitaka kwenda lakini mguu ikakataa.
Yeah. Very nice header. Wale nya Waganda banange, baba na Uganda. Aya, pira wanapigwa kule. Goal! What a wonderful goal! That's an equalizer. Just 3 minutes to the end of the game. Definitely could be one of the best goals in the tournament. Look at the way she chipped in. The goalkeeper tried all the best to save it, but it was too high. The ball going to the top corner. Absolutely fantastic. This is a fantastic goal. Ucheshimana Shanete.
Very very fantastic. Na ukimwangalia direct anaenda kwa coach wake kwa club.
Urifata buguziri kunogeye aho uri hose mu gihugu ukoresheje MTN Mobile Money, Tigo Cash, Airtel Money cyangwa ugana abaduhagarariye mu gihugu hose. Azam TV, imyidagaduro kuri bose.